Hello. So this is for the curtain, and first, you need to fix or attach the button rail to the top box. Then you need to connect the wire with the wire come out from the pergola. And after that, you need to fix the bottom rail to the post, pergola post, with the screws. You can say screws in the bottom rail, screws here, and also screws there. So the distance for the screws, for the two screws, is about 50 to 16 centimeter. The distance. So after you fix the bottom rail to the pergola post, then you need to put this we call this plastic strip in the bottom rail. This is to fix the fabric. Yeah, insert to fabric, then insert this to the bottom rail. Okay, so after you insert this plastic strip, then fix the up rail or the top rail to the bottom rail. Insert it by your hand.好，可以了，不要敲死。